Now, as I said, to solve the triangle or to find the other component, we have some rules. One of the important rules is sine rule. Statement of the sine rule is this: small a upon sine a is equal to b upon sine b is equal to c upon sine c. This is equal to 2r, where r is circumradius of triangle ABC. So let's consider different cases for this. Since in this rule circle is involved, we have three possible cases, or in fact for any triangle we have three possible cases when triangle is either acute or obtuse or right angle triangle. Consider acute angle triangle ABC, in which circumcenter falls inside triangle. Now draw a line passing through vertex B and center of the circle. Now suppose this point is D. What is BD length? BD length is what? Diameter of the circle. Let O is circumcenter. Then BD length is equal to 2r. Join C and D. Okay, now BD is diameter. Then what will be angle BCD? This angle is 90, because diameter subtends 90-degree angle at the point, any point on the circle. Now this angle, what is this angle? Any property of triangle from which we can get this angle. Now this angle is equal to this angle, because BC chord subtend same angle at point D and A, in fact at any point on the circle. This is one of the most important properties of circle, that angle subtended by any chord at any point on circumference of circle is same. Now this angle is A, so this angle is also A. So now in right angle triangle BCD, we have sine A is equal to BC upon BD. Now BC length in notation is what? Small a, and BD is 2r. So from this we have A upon sine A is equal to 2r. Similarly, by taking another diameter from A and from C, we can prove B upon sine B is equal to 2r and C upon sine C is equal to 2r. So this is statement of sine rule, which is simply proved using what? Right angle triangle and some elementary properties of circle. Consider another case when triangle is right angle triangle. Suppose triangle is right angled at B. Now in this triangle, this B is 2r, because we know that in right angle triangle this AC hypotenuse is diameter of the circumcircle. ओके, अगर हम एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करते हैं जो ट्राइंगल के वर्टाइसिस से पास होगा, तो उसमें AC क्या हो जाएगा, उस सर्कल का डायमीटर हो जाएगा। And midpoint of AC is what? Circumcenter. So B is equal to 2R. Now we can write this as B upon sine B is equal to 2R, because angle B is 90 degree, and what is sine 90 degree? That is 1. Also sine A is equal to opposite side A upon hypotenuse B, but B is 2R. So we have A upon sine A is equal to 2R. Similarly, we have sine C is equal to opposite side small c. This implies C upon sine C is equal to 2R. So sine rule is now for right angle triangle also. Consider third case when triangle is obtuse angle. In obtuse angle triangle, circumcenter lies outside triangle. Suppose triangle is obtuse angle and angle A is obtuse, then circumcenter is here O, which is outside triangle. Let's draw a line from vertex B and center O. Let this point is D and join C and D, then this angle is 90 degree. This angle is A. Then what will be this angle? There is one property of circumcircle. This chord subtend angle A here, then it will subtend angle pi minus A here. Hai? These two angles are always supplementary angles. Now this length is 2R, BD length, as it is diameter. This length is A, side opposite to angle A. Now in this triangle BCD, we have sine of pi minus A is equal to opposite side A upon BD, that is 2R. Now what is sine pi minus A? That is sine A. So we have A upon sine A is equal to 2R. Also join point A, vertex A with O. Say this point is E. Now join E and C. Now triangle ACE, this is right angle triangle because AE is diameter, then this angle is 90 degree. Now this angle is equal to this angle because AC chord is subtending angle B here, then it will subtend same angle here, so this angle is also B angle. Now in this triangle ACE, sine B is equal to opposite side, that is AC, which is in notation small b, upon AE. AE is 2R. This implies B upon sine B is equal to 2R. Similarly, we can prove that C upon sine C is equal to 2R. Now we have sine rule for all types of triangle, whether it is acute, right angle or obtuse angle. Okay, let's try now some questions based on sine rule application. Try this question. Is it possible to construct a triangle with this data? Side A is 5 unit, side B is 7 unit, and sine of A is 3 upon 4. Now we have given A, B and sine A. So we will use sine rule like this. A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B. Now using this statement we can find what? Angle B. So sine B is equal to B upon A multiplied by sine A, which is equal to 7 upon 5 multiplied by sine A is 3 upon 4. Now this is 21 upon 20. Now we got the value of sine B 21 upon 20, which is not possible, as we know the range of sine function is -1 to 1. So for this data, triangle is not possible. Try this question. In triangle ABC, if angle A is 75 degree, B is 45 degree, then prove this statement. We have been given two angles and we have to find relation between sides. Now two angles are given, then we can get third angle. Third angle C is equal to 180 degree minus this two angles 120, then 180 minus 120 is 60 degree. Now from sine rule we have A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C. Now if all angles are given, can we get all sides? देखो अगर हमें एंगल्स गिवन है तो हम साइड्स नहीं निकाल सकते, क्योंकि अगर एंगल्स गिवन है तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इस तरह के इनफाइनाइट ट्रायंगल्स बना सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो इनफैक्ट हम साइड्स नहीं निकाल सकते, हम क्या निकाल सकते हैं, साइड्स का रेशियो निकाल सकते हैं. Now A is equal to 2R multiplied by sine A. Now sine A is sine of 75 degree. B is equal to 2R times sine 45 degree. And C is 2R multiplied by sine of 60 degree. Now this is, okay, what is sine 75 degree? That is sine 45 plus 30, that is root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Sine 45 degree is 1 upon root 2 and sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Now B plus root 2C, क्या करेंगे इसमें आप B and C का वैल्यूज पुट कर लो और सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो वो किसके इक्वल आ जाएगा, 2A के इक्वल आ जाएगा. So let's put the values of B and C and simplify. Now this value is equal to what? A. So we have proved B plus C root 2 is equal to 2 times A.